So here we are on the lovely streets of the city of York. I'm out doing some street photography with the Canon M50 Mark II and the Sigma 56mm EFM prime lens. Lovely lens for street photography. So here we're just doing a couple of warm-up shots. It's a lovely look-up shot. Pity about the scaffolding, but there was a lovely blue sky on this really cold day, but really nice. So I've just done another look up there. This is the York City Cathedral, very nice building. And then I saw this lady here with this cloak type garment, and I thought that would make a nice shot, so I got that one. And then there's somebody just walking past, and I just wanted to get this person walking past here in the red coat. I needed to adjust here so that I've got my drive mode as single shoot, because I'm just doing a look up shot again. Look at that lovely blue sky and the architecture of this lovely cathedral. Then I saw the chap just across the road there on the phone. I thought that would make a nice shot with a hat and a phone, etc. There's me having a look at it. Shouldn't do that really, but look at this background. I just had to get this shot. There's a picture or a poster of the inside of the cathedral. So here's another one that I thought I'll use as a background. So I just wanted people to walk past, and there we've got it. It just makes it look as though they're walking through a balcony at the top of the cathedral. But pretty happy with that. I did crop in very slightly, but this lens gives you such sharp pictures, you're able to do that. Then this person, I just wanted a shot of her, and she just turned around in time. She wasn't really posing. Then I saw this father up here with his boy just jumping across. I thought I told a nice story. And we've got another look up shot. While I'm round the cathedral, I just couldn't help getting this. It's lovely architecture. Then I've got this chap walking across the road, and I thought I'll just get him looking in the shop window there. I'm sure that tells a story. And then that shop window is a lovely background, so I just had to get that shot with a couple of people walking past. And then I've got another shop window which I felt was a good background, so I just waited for that couple to walk through the frame. And then a bit further on in the next shop there's another background. I really like this lady on the bike, and then I just waited for some subjects to walk through. And this chap, he just turned round in time for me to take the photo. It's like he knew I was going to take it. And then I just wanted somebody walking through that shop door there, or past the frame. So I just waited for another subject to get a similar shot going the other way. So I was quite happy with that. Now I'm just doing a look up shot here, and you can see I couldn't really get all of it in because I've got the 56mm, and I couldn't move back too far. But so I've just moved along a bit and tried to take it from an angle to get a bit more in. But again, it's really punched in, this lens, and when you're in a thin street like that, you can't really get much. Then this person was having her photo taken, so I thought I'll join in and take her photo. Pink trousers. Oh, and here's a puddle. I mean, you've just got to take a reflection shot. I was really happy with that. And then there was a small band playing, or a couple of people playing. I've got those. And this chap on the left here, I just wanted to get him leaning against that green box. And then across the road there's somebody just standing there, and again I just wanted to get him, see what sort of story that told. And then on the right here, can you see those posters? Absolutely brilliant. So I've crossed the road, and I'm now waiting for somebody or people to walk through the frame. And here we go, we've got that one there. And then I thought I'd take advantage and get another one, and I've got this couple just walking through the frame, so I thought that made a really nice background. And then up here just across the road there's somebody sitting on the seat, so I thought I'd get that person with that really nice poster in the background. And then just to the right we've got that other poster, and I wanted to get a subject or subjects walking through, and I've got that, so I've got 4 subjects walking through. Then over on the right here I've got this chap just standing there with a pushchair, and I thought that'll tell a nice little story, and got that photo. And then this chap, I really love this photo. Just walking along, I thought it was a brilliant character, so I put the background in black and white just to emphasise that character. And then on the right I thought I'd just take a street shot of things going on, which I was quite happy with. And then this couple, I thought this was a nice shot. Again, I've emphasised it by making the background black and white. And then I've got another background here, and I've just got that chap walking through. And then there was this family, and I thought that'd be a nice family shot with the chap kissing his daughter. And again, using this background for somebody to walk through the frame. And then I've got this couple, the lady's got purple hair, just waiting for them to walk through, because I thought that was a nice photo, nice characters there. And then again I'm just waiting for somebody to walk through the frame with these shoes, because the shoes are pointing in the same direction, and I thought that would be nice. And then I got one of that lady there just inside the cafe, and then over ahead of us there you can see that person in the red coat. I just wanted to get her in the left of the frame just to get that scene. And then just in this little road on the left there's a couple with their dogs, and I thought that would make a nice picture. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like that video please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video.